Welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on industrial relations and labor enactments. This is part 12. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Such union destroying the present economic system by restoring the revolutionary measures. They seek to abolish the wage system and private property. A. Anarchist. B. Political union. C. Predatory. D. Guerrilla union. Correct option is D. Guerrilla union. 2. Which of the following is not the characteristic of the trade union? So your correct option is B. Individual action. 3. Types of organization to which trade union are affiliated. A. The National Federation. B. The Federation of Unions. C. Both A and B. Or D. None. Correct option is C. Both A and B. 4th, which of the following is a function of trade union? A. Militant function. B. Fraternal function. C. Both A and B. D. All. Correct option is C. Both A and B. 5. Techniques to achieve the objectives of organization are A. Collective bargaining. B. Grievance handling. C. Negotiations. D. All. Correct option is D. All. 6. Internal problem of trade union are A. Migratory character. B. Homogeneous character. C. Poor economic conditions. D. All. Correct option is D. All. 7. Which of the following factors are not measures to strengthen the trade union in India? So the correct option is D. None. 8. The central trade union in India is oblique R. A. AITUC. B. INTUC. C. UTUC. D. All. Correct option is D. All. You need to look into the full form of these. These are established earlier. 9. The first president of AITUC was, here correct option is C. Lajpat Rai. 10. Hind Mazdoor Panchayat HMP was established in, correct option is A. 1965. 11. All India Trade Union Congress AITUC was political link with, correct option is A. CPI. 12. The agreement arrived between the representative of a trade union and employer is known as A. Collective agreement. B. Mutual agreement. C. Both A and B. Or D. None. Correct option is C. Both A and B. 13. Dash denotes the absence of an employee when he is scheduled to work. Correct option is B. Absenteeism. 14. Recognition of the trade union was made by the provision of, correct option is C. Code of discipline. 15. Which is not a structure of trade union of industrial organization? A. Craft union. B. General union. C. Industrial union. Or D. Consumers union. Correct option is D. Consumers union. 16. What should be the minimum number required to register a union? Correct option is here C. 6. 17. The basic function of the trade union is, correct option is A. To protect and promote the interest of the worker. 18. Intra-Union Rivalry means, correct option is A. Rivalry between union. 19. Which of the following is not the principle of industrial relations policy? Correct option is C here, the code of discipline. 20. Which of the following is not a part of the industrial relations? A. Government and employers. B. Trade unions, union federations or associations. C. Foreign companies. Or D. Labor courts and tribunals. Correct option is C. Foreign companies. 21. Which are the major causes of the origin in industrial relations? A. Industrialization. B. Emergence of factory system. C. Development of capitalistic economy. D. All. Here correct option is C. Development of capitalistic economy. 22. Which of the following are the major participants of industrial relations from the following? A. Employers. B. Government. C. Unions. D. All. Here correct option is C. Unions. 23. The International Labour Organization was established in, correct option is A. April 1999. 24. Which of the following are the main causes of indiscipline? So could be any of the above. A. Wage differentials. B. Unreasonable reasonable work assignment. C. Non-payment of bonus. or D, any of the above? So correct option is D, any of the above. 25. The main issues involved in industrial relations consists of, correct option is D here, all, that is A, collective bargaining, B, machinery for settlement of industrial disputes, C, workers' participation in management. 26. Which of the following does not include the economic cause of dispute? So correct option is B, victimization of workers. 27. Which of the following are the non-economic cause of dispute? A, ill treatment by staff, B, sympathetic strike, C, indiscipline, D, all. Correct option is D, all. 28. Which of the following cannot be a cause of strike? Correct option is B, discontinuity in services due to overage. 29. Which of the following measures proved to be fruitful in improving industrial relations? A, strong and stable unions, B, workers' participation in management, C, mutual trust, D, all. Correct option is D, all. 30. Which of the following cannot be categorized as the main aim of workers' committees? Correct option is B, providing better opportunities outside the organization. So this was this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.